the portal, when you click for it, this. Now, when you duplicate this, you duplicate this mark, you now change it, your own will now be remark. So in the new page you are working on for that remark page, this is where your own database is going to be called. So you can put all the necessary data to it so that you have a remark database. So you don't have to touch the mark database itself. So that part, the report part, which is this remark part, will be calling only from the remark database. You may use the same database for this student and head teacher as remark, but you can also use that same one for the character development, the practical skills, because it's going to be calling the same school ID, the same information, like you can see here now. So it's supposed to be able to call this information like very new one. Let's just jump to maybe 17. Oh, it's the first semester. Okay, so that's, we need to change all this first semester to first term, but we'll do that later. It's just simple SQL query that will be done. So is this thing moving? Now you can see, so this is the main thing. So it calls the mark ID. So this one now is going to be your mark ID. The school year ID, which is very important, you'd locate where the school year ID calls from, the exam ID, the exam, the student ID, the classes ID, the subject ID. So now for subject ID now, because we are not working with subjects now, it can now be the remark ID. Then the remark, it now calls the remark maybe students, the teacher's remark or the head teacher's remark or thereabout. So that's basically it. Unlike the first one that was calling the mark. So the idea is for us to be able to use something like this. So I want to know if you think this is going to work. Um, you work on something and let me see it and let's know if this is going to work. So I want to believe that it should work, but if it's not going to work, please do me a video of what you understand and what you think is going to work. I don't want you to just tell me you're working. I know the code igniter code can be clumsy itself, but since you have an idea of it, just pick it up from there and let's see what we can do. Thank you.